Some days I wake up feeling completely exhausted, emotionally, physically, mentally, but I push through because I have to. I'm 4 months pregnant, a toddler mom, and running a home and trying to keep my dreams alive. It's not easy, but here's a glimpse into my week. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. This week honestly has really felt like a tug of war between me trying to rest and take responsibility, between wanting to slow down and needing to keep going. Taking care of myself feels like the hardest thing to do right now. Some days I don't even want to get out of bed. It's crazy how something as simple as taking a shower can really feel like a luxury these days, you know? There's always something to do, someone to take care of, and when I finally get a moment for myself, sometimes I feel guilty, but I know I need to take care of me too.
Do you want to be in it?
That's why I'm so excited to get out of the house and go grocery shopping with my mom, who came to visit us this week. And I've been craving some Cameroonian food, and I just couldn't wait to go shopping with her.
We're going to the African store, and then we're going to Walmart to buy some meat so she can make me some nice achu soup. Oh, and okra and arrow. If you haven't eaten arrow, no, outside.
Okay, so I think right now it's 11 p.m. I don't know. I just had a meeting. Excuse me. I'm so tired. So peace out. Have a good night.
So I came to get some gas because I was literally on like 6 miles left. Can you imagine? We're going to the playground.
Even though my energy is low, I push myself to make time for my little girl. She loves the park, especially the slide. Seeing her makes me so happy, even though I'm tired. And we didn't get a chance to record much there, but later that day we had to make a quick stop to Sprout so we can get the remaining items to cook.
I love coming to Sprouts because, I don't know, it's fresh. And you can find some good things. We came here to get this spinach, so I'm just glad that finally we came to Sprouts, because I didn't know where else I was about to go find fresh spinach like this. All the waters.
So it's been almost 2 years since I became a stay-at-home mom. Wow. I've been working, building websites, designing graphics, running social media for businesses. The tough market has just been trash, like really trash.
So Lucy, how does it feel?
How does one feel?
Look at you. You look like you're about to close any second. Why are we so tired today?
Get into tech, they said.
I know.
Well, I see the tech now.
I'm tired. It's brain work. That's the thing. People always underestimate tech. Talk about, I'm about to make all this money. Yeah, brain. Right.
Good morning.
Yeah. Mommy.
Okay, hold on.
You need black glasses?
My face is so round. My goodness.
I don't even know what day today is. Today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
Yeah. Today's Friday and my husband has an interview right now. So, so I took my daughter to the room so we can just sit because I don't want her to talk and mess up and make noise while he's trying to do the interview.
Oh, no.
But we're just chilling, gonna eat, and then I have a meeting. We never eat in the room. We just, my mom is downstairs in one of the room, my sister-in-law, everybody's doing work right now. And then I have a meeting in 30 minutes. I can have her sit next to me, it's okay.
30 minutes, Mommy?
Yes, 30 minutes.
Wait,
And so
30 minutes.
Having my mom here this week has been a blessing. She's helped with the groceries, cleaning, cooking, just, being mom. Yeah. And so I'm pretty excited. She's also reminded me that I really don't have to do everything alone. So growing up, my mom would always have rules: clean up after yourself, keep the kitchen clean, and the house should always smell fresh and things like that. And back then I didn't think much of it, but now as a wife and a mom, I realize how much it really stuck with me. I wouldn't call myself a neat freak or anything, but something about if the kitchen is really messy or the bathroom is dirty, it just it irks my soul. It just bothers me so much. It's like I physically can't relax until things feel right, even when I'm beyond exhausted. Even if I have just a tiny bit of energy, I try to push through, and whether it's to clean up or to finish something that I've been working on, I just use that energy to do that. But
just hit the spot.
there's some days where I'm so tired, where I've just been learning to let go.
Going to the zoo.
Oh, there's more space over here? Kansas City Zoo?
I love Kansas City Zoo.
That's the water.
No, you have to pay. I saw the thing. You gotta pay $8. It's a ticket. Yes. Okay, so this is the aquarium. So let's go in. Before it ends.
So it's my mom's last full day with us, and we had decided that we're gonna go to the aquarium. I wanted to soak in every moment because at the back of my mind, I just couldn't stop thinking about how much I'll miss her when she leaves. She lives in the East Coast and we're in the Midwest, so having her here, being an extra pair of hands and just comforting me.
Wow, they really did a good job with this zoo. Just the beginning, I'm already impressed. These ones.
Having her here this week has made me feel really cared for in a way that I didn't realize that I needed. When you have your mom around, it's I don't know, but I like having my mom around.
She doesn't want to go close. Literally everybody is going close to the glass. She don't want to go close. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, you see the turtle? It's swimming. Oh my god. Feel courage. Gotta touch him. I think we're only still at the entrance, but oh my gosh, that fish is bad. This one? Don't be artificial fish. The fish that exists now, man.
This is a big one. Over here, that one.
Yeah, it's too high. That's but it's too high.
That kind of looks nasty. Also, oh, look at the
So we came to the zoo to go to all the areas, but we've literally only been inside the aquarium literally for an hour, and it was so nice. Wow. And it doesn't smell fishy, thank God. We look alike.
I was in Missouri on this day.
Yeah, what my mom just said. She wanted to use her iPhone to take a picture, so that in a year from now, her iPhone would tell her she came to Missouri.
Yeah, we always come. I'll see this one I took in France.
Team iPhone.
So I couldn't wait the next day. On Sunday, I always really enjoy going to church. Things of God, it really reminds me, like, you know, God is still writing my story. God has not removed his hands from me. One thing that definitely keeps me grounded is my faith. Like, no matter how tired I am, I try to make it to church. I'll make sure that I read my word or listen to worship music or pray. It just helps me get through the day, honestly, especially worship. Worship the presence of God. It reminds me, if you're drained or you're tired, don't let go of your faith. Like, God is always with you, you know. Motherhood is exhausting. Pregnancy is exhausting. Life in general is exhausting, you know. But even in the hardest moments, there are always small joys, small victories, and they all add up. So let's just keep pushing through. If you feel unseen, if you feel like nobody's listening to you, you're doing better than you think. And one day you definitely look back and realize, like, every little effort that you've put in has definitely been worth it. So let's not give up. Let's not give up. Let's keep going. You know? Hang in there. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share this video with others. See you next week.